Q1. What is prompt engineering in the context of Salesforce Agentforce? A. Prompt engineering refers to the process of designing, refining, and structuring text instructions prompts to optimize AI agent responses for customer support, sales, or service automation. Q2. Why is prompt clarity important for Agentforce AI interactions? A. Clear prompts reduce hallucinations and ensure the AI agent provides accurate, helpful, and context aware responses, improving customer trust and task automation reliability. Q3, which component allows Salesforce admins to define and test prompts for AI assistants in Agentforce? A. The prompt builder, within Salesforce's Einstein Copilot Studio, is the tool used to craft and test prompts. Q4. What is a zero-shot prompt in Agentforce AI behavior training? A zero-shot prompt is a direct instruction given to the AI without any prior examples. It's useful when asking the AI to perform new tasks using only natural language. Q5. Which of the following improves AI agent performance when handling edge cases and customer queries? A. Few-shot prompting with real use case examples and user intent clarification. Q6. How can you test if your prompt works correctly before deploying in a live Agentforce scenario? A. Use the Prompt Testing Console in Prompt Builder or Sandbox AI Preview to simulate and validate prompt outputs. Q7. What is the purpose of including dynamic Salesforce data fields in prompts, e.g. contact.firstname? A. It personalizes the prompt to the user context, improving AI relevance and response accuracy in real-time interactions. At Q8. Which of the following is a bad practice in prompt engineering for Salesforce agents? A. Using vague instructions like help the user. B. Defining the user role and intent clearly. C. Adding examples of expected tone or style. D. Including business rules within the prompt answer. A. Vague prompts lead to inconsistent results. Q9. What is the impact of prompt over-engineering in Agentforce AI setup? A. It can cause the AI to be overly rigid, limit creative or dynamic responses, and reduce adaptability to diverse customer inputs. Q10. How often should prompts be reviewed once deployed in Salesforce Agentforce environments? A. Regularly, preferably after analyzing AI behavior reports and user feedback, to continuously improve quality and relevance. Topic: Prompt Engineering, Set 2. Q11. What does chain of thought prompting mean in the context of Agentforce AI behavior? A. It refers to structuring prompts that guide the AI to reason step by step before providing an answer, improving logical accuracy and decision making. Q12. In Agentforce, which Salesforce tool allows integration of prompt engineering with flows, objects, and records? A. Einstein Copilot Studio integrates prompts into workflows and supports natural language interactions with Salesforce data. Q13. How does few-shot prompting help in improving AI understanding within Salesforce customer service agents? A. It provides the AI with a few examples of how to respond, helping it learn tone, intent, and structure, which leads to better contextual responses. Q14. What type of prompting helps an AI agent handle multilingual queries in Salesforce Service Cloud? A. Language-specific prompting combined with translation logic or specifying the response language in the prompt, e.g., respond in Spanish. Q15. What is a primary benefit of using templated prompts in high-volume support environments? A. Consistency in agent responses and faster deployment of repeatable, high-quality service interactions. Q16. Which Salesforce component stores and manages reusable prompts for AI assistants? A. Prompt templates, stored in Salesforce under Einstein Copilot configuration for standardization across multiple use cases. Q17. How should you structure a prompt to reduce bias and increase fairness in AI responses? A. Use neutral language, avoid assumptions, and clearly define the expected outcome without leading or emotionally charged wording. Q18. What prompt technique is best for summarizing case histories in Salesforce Service Console? A. Use summarization prompts like, summarize this case history in 3 bullet points for the agent to review before the next interaction. Q19. How can you tailor prompts for specific personas, e.g., sales rep versus service agent in Agentforce? A. Include the role in the prompt explicitly, e.g., as a sales rep, summarize this lead's interests in 2 sentences. Or, as a support agent, draft a troubleshooting reply using polite tone. Q20. What is the main risk of poorly maintained prompt libraries in Salesforce AI implementations? A. Outdated or misaligned prompts can lead to irrelevant or inaccurate responses, reducing trust in the AI and increasing human escalation. How can you control the tone of an AI generated response in a Salesforce prompt? A. By explicitly instructing the tone in the prompt, e.g., respond in a professional and empathetic tone to ensure consistent voice in responses. In prompt engineering, what is the role of system level prompts in AI agent architecture? A. System level prompts define the agent's role, constraints, and objectives, setting the base behavior that user inputs build upon. Q23. What is prompt injection and how can it be prevented in Salesforce Agentforce? A. Prompt injection is when malicious user input overrides the intended behavior of a prompt. Prevent it using input sanitization, validation rules, and strict prompt boundaries. Q24. Which prompt structure is recommended for summarizing case notes into task checklists? A. Use a structured instruction. Convert the following case notes into a checklist of tasks for the support agent to follow. Q25. What are embedded variables in Salesforce prompts and why are they useful? A. Embedded variables like case.subject pull live data into the prompt. They're useful for personalization and context-aware AI responses. Q26. When designing prompts for customer retention conversations, what should be prioritized? A. Prompts should focus on empathy, understanding pain points, and offering actionable customer-centric solutions. Q27. How can you version and track changes in prompts inside Salesforce Prompt Builder? A. Use prompt versioning features in Prompt Builder to maintain audit trails, test older versions, and roll back when needed. Q28. What's a guardrail instruction in prompt engineering for Salesforce AI agents? A guardrail instruction set clear boundaries, e.g., do not provide legal or financial advice, helping reduce compliance risks. Q29. How can you A/B test different prompts in Agentforce scenarios? A. Create two versions of prompts, deploy in separate agent flows or AI responses, and measure performance using interaction analytics or customer feedback. Q30. What is the impact of too much prompt nesting or logic in a single instruction? A. It can confuse the AI, reduce clarity, and increase response time or errors. Prompts should be modular, clear, and goal-focused. In Salesforce Agentforce, why is prompt modularity considered a best practice? A. Modularity allows prompts to be reused, tested, and updated independently, improving maintainability, performance, and scalability across AI workflows. Q32. How can you tailor a prompt to follow Salesforce's brand voice and customer interactions? A. Include clear brand language instructions, e.g., use a friendly, clear, and trustworthy tone aligned with Salesforce brand guidelines. Q33. What is the main advantage of embedding conditional logic in prompts within Prompt Builder? A. It enables dynamic and context-aware responses based on field values or user inputs, e.g., if case.type equals urgent, then prioritize escalation. Q34. Which feature in Salesforce supports live testing of prompts with real CRM data before deployment? A. The prompt playground or preview mode in Prompt Builder allows live testing with record-specific variables. Q35. What is a fallback prompt, and why is it important in Agentforce AI workflows? A. A fallback prompt is a backup instruction used when the AI is uncertain. It ensures graceful handling of edge cases or unknown queries, e.g., I'm not sure, but I'll escalate this to an expert. Q36. In what scenario should you use a refinement prompt in Salesforce AI interactions? A. When the AI needs to revise, rephrase, or improve an existing response based on updated context or user feedback. Q37. Which role is responsible for reviewing and approving prompts in enterprise-grade Salesforce AI systems? A. Typically, the AI prompt admin or AI enablement team validates prompts for accuracy, compliance, tone, and intent. Q38. What is a token limit in prompt engineering, and why does it matter in Salesforce AI applications? A. Token limits define the maximum input-output length an AI model can handle. Exceeding it may cause cutoff responses or prompt truncation in long record interactions. Q39. How can prompts be localized for different regions in Salesforce Agentforce without rewriting the full logic? A. Use prompt templates with language placeholders and dynamically insert localized text based on the user's region or profile. Q40. What technique helps AI summarize multi record Salesforce objects, e.g., related cases or notes, effectively? A. Use a prompt like summarize the last three related case records into a concise status update for the support agent. What is an instructional prefix in a Salesforce AI prompt, and why is it useful? A. An instructional prefix sets the agent's behavior, e.g., you are a helpful support assistant, and ensures consistent response quality aligned to a role or tone. Q42. How does prompt engineering support AI driven lead qualification in Salesforce Sales Cloud? A. Prompts can direct the AI to evaluate lead fields like budget, timeline, industry, and classify or score leads using logic embedded in natural language. Q43. In Salesforce Prompt Builder, what feature allows you to inject context specific data into prompts at runtime? A. Dynamic merge fields, e.g., contact.name, case.subject, are used to personalize and contextualize the prompt during execution. Q44. Why is using bullet format in prompt outputs recommended in some use cases? A. It improves clarity, scannability, and makes the AI output more actionable, especially for agents summarizing case notes, tasks, or escalation steps. Q45. What prompt technique helps AI provide explanations instead of just answers? A. Add explain your reasoning or use a chain of thought prompt to get transparent, step by step AI justifications. Q46. How can prompt engineering support case deflection in Salesforce Service Cloud? A. Prompts can direct the AI to suggest knowledge articles, FAQs, or automated solutions before escalating to live agents, reducing case volume. Q47. What is an AI persona prompt in Salesforce Agentforce setup? A. It defines a unique personality, tone, or role behavior for the AI, e.g., you are a friendly IT support assistant who speaks in simple terms. Q48. How does prompt chaining work in Salesforce AI workflows? A. It involves sequencing multiple prompts, where the output of one prompt becomes the input for the next, used for multi step tasks or guided flows. What type of prompt would best help an AI agent write a follow up email after a customer call? A. A task based instruction with context. Using the call notes below, write a follow up email thanking the customer and summarizing next steps. Q50. How does prompt abstraction improve long term scalability in enterprise Salesforce environments? A. It separates prompt logic from specific business rules, making it easier to update language without affecting the core process or functionality.